only the teacher of the class can upload homework, the administrator can't. So I'd log into my teachers portal. I've got the quick links down the middle. I can click on homework. It opens up a page. I can also access it via the side menu. So I've got my 3 classes I'm linked to at the top. If you only link to one, you'll only see one class. I would then go into, let's just click on the add button. Okay, I now select so I've chosen the grade I want. I'm now going to choose the subject, grade 3 maths. I'm going to give it a title, give it a description, and I can upload a file. So let's just quickly find the file we're looking for. I'm going to call this one grade 1 numbers. Okay, I'm going to select the due by date, so it's going to be due for next Monday the 2nd. And if you wish, you can notify all the recipients by email. I'm going to leave that off for now. I'm going to click upload homework. So since it's been uploaded, I can go back and check on that quickly. So there it is, counting. I can preview it. So there it is, it's due on the 2nd of August. It starts counting down the days, minutes, and hours. There's a description, and then you can obviously download the file. So if I jump across and see what the student sees, go into my student's profile. So this is me as a child. I can click on homework, or the parent can do this. There's the homework counting. These are all the different subjects I take, and this is the number of lessons that the homework is uploaded to Afrikaans, for example. I can see when it's due. I can see there's a file there. So let's click on it. I can now do the homework. I can, once I've done the homework, I can say, teacher, okay. The student can ask the teacher any questions if they wish. They can, once they've completed the homework, they can just click the attach button, upload their completed work. So let's just quickly click submit. Okay, so that now goes into a feed. So if there's a two-way back conversation between the teacher and the student, it'll appear over here with a date and timestamp. This will be the student's profile photo. If the teacher replies, it'll be down the bottom. So let's just quickly jump across into the teacher portal. Just out of interest, I'll show you the parent portal because the parent will see exactly what the student sees. So let's go into homework. And so the parent can see the homework as well. And the parent can also upload the homework if the child's very young. So let's just say, for example, this was the homework and the parents want to upload the file, they can do it as well. So let's just switch across to the teacher portal and show you what the two-way conversation looks like. So I'm in my teacher portal, I click on preview. Sorry, let's just click back in here, click on, there we go. So now I can see, if I go into my grade 3 class, I click on counting. Susie's over here. It'll tell the system that she's handed that homework in, and that now if I wanted to, I could add a mark. I could say, well done. I could give her a mark, for example, 10 out of 10, send reply. I can also leave an audio note. Susie, excellent work, keep it up. Click stop, you can play it back, you can click here to save it, and then you can send that audio. It'll send an email to the student and the parent. I can now click the history button and I can see a two-way conversation between the student and myself. There's my audio note. Okay. And that's pretty much it. So the nice thing is it keeps, so this is the homework for counting, and it links all the students in the class, and you can see which students have done it. So it'll be like due, and then this is completed. Yeah. and you can switch between the different classes. If you've got any questions, email support@childcloud.co.za.